In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight text on Wix. Highlighting text is a simple but really powerful way to draw attention to important words, phrases, or sections on your website. Maybe you want to emphasize a call to action, a special offer, or a key point in a paragraph. Wix gives you a built-in highlight feature that works a lot like using a highlighter on paper, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to use it. First, make sure you're in the Wix editor for the site you want to work on. Once you're in the editor, navigate to the page and the section where your text is located. You'll need to select the text element before you can apply any formatting. To start editing, move your mouse over the text you want to highlight. You can either double-click directly on the text, or click once on the text box, and then choose the Edit Text option that appears. Both actions will open the text editing toolbar and allow you to change the formatting. When the text editor is active, go ahead and select the specific words or sentences you want to highlight. Click and drag your cursor over the text so that it's fully selected. You should see it shaded or underlined to show that it's been selected for formatting. Now, look at the text toolbar that appears above or near your text. You're looking for an icon that looks like a capital letter A with a small water drop or droplet next to it. This icon represents the highlight tool. Click on that highlighted A with the water drop icon. After you click it, Wix will apply a background color behind your selected text, creating a highlight effect. Depending on your editor version and theme, you may be able to choose different highlight colors. If that's available, pick a color that contrasts well with your text and matches your overall site design. You want it to stand out without being hard to read. If you're not happy with how it looks, simply select the text again and adjust the highlight, or click the highlight icon once more to remove it. When you're satisfied, click outside the text box to exit the editing mode, and don't forget to save or publish your changes so the highlight appears on your live site. That's all there is to it. With just a couple of clicks, you can make important